Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add game collection to your Discord profile. Okay, let's get started. Here I have opened my Discord and then I'm going to show you my profile. Oops, sorry. Okay, as you can see, here I have my game collection. And if you want to add a game collection, guys, just edit your profile. You can edit the widget to your profile. You can add your favorite game right here, and I'm just going to pick random game. Alright, and then don't forget to click on save, and then the game will be added to your game style collection on your profile. Okay, let's go back, and I'm going to open my profile. Okay, here I have two games, Roblox and this game. Just ignore the game. Okay guys, and that's how you can add game collection to your Discord profile. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!